Hey everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of NFL app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go to above and you can search about NFL and you can click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support